Hey, what's going on YouTube? Thanks for tuning into this video. Today I wanted to show you what's inside this very cheap looking power bank. There is no name to it other than what it says power bank on here. So this is something you would typically get like at a gas station. So with this, wanted to see what's inside this battery bank, and the reason for that is we charged this up all the way to was fully charged. We took it out and we plugged it into an iPhone SE. That's less than a 2000, I believe, 2000 milliamp hour battery, and it charged it once, and that's it. So I want to know what's in here. Feels pretty heavy on this back side, very light up here. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. This is very easy to open. Reason why is I can put my fingernail and I can see the gap. So I'm assuming it's pretty easy. So let's take a look at it. Oh, yeah, there you go. That is pretty easy. Okay, put that off to the side. So I use a prying tool, that I've had for a while. So a little plastic prying tool. You don't even need that. You just use it really anything. But I do that so that way I don't really bend that much of the plastic, just in case I can fix it or do something with it. But as you can see on here, it has two battery cells here. For a size like this, if you showed me this and you told me this is 5,000 milliamp hours, these two combined, I would believe you. I definitely would believe you. These are big cells. They're definitely not the size of double A's. Definitely not. So I definitely would, believe that this is 5,000 milliamp hours, but I guess it's cheaply made or it's worn out or something, but there's no markings on here that really tell us what the sizes are. And then, you have this very small board here, and that, for you to charge it and to, charge in and charge out. So yeah, very, I guess easily made, but disappointing. So yeah, this is what a very inexpensive battery bank, what it looks like inside. So if ever you see one of these, like at a gas station or something like that, that's what it looks like on the inside. Hope you like this video. It's a very short video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you in the next video.